Hey everybody, Casey Ferris here. I want to show you our new title pack, Fusion Titles for Editors Volume 2. It's a huge collection of really clean, minimal titles that you can customize really easily to fit like whatever you're doing. There's full screen titles like this, and a lot of these are designed to be thrown over video so that you can see your beautiful shots underneath it. They're all animated and super easy to customize. You can even trim them and they'll still animate out at the end. Whether it's 4 seconds long or 40 seconds long, it always animates in and animates out. We have everything from minimal titles that will adjust in size based on how big your text is, all the way to 3D titles that are a little bit more fancy. And we really tried to make this just the most useful pack ever. You can really use these on just about anything and it will fit your style. So we have quite a few titles like this, from just the clean minimal all the way to fancy animated ones. But we have a couple other types of titles that I think you guys are really gonna love. The first would be our callouts. This is if you want to point out something specific on screen, you can quickly customize those and position them wherever they need to go on screen. I could even bring this into Fusion, and you can actually track this and just move it along with any kind of moving camera. We have several different styles of callout, all designed to match the style of whatever you're making. We're also introducing something called backdrops, which are generated customizable backgrounds that you can bring in. You can change the colors and even some of the stylistic things like how strong a vignette is, how strong a shadows you want, and some more kind of stylistic things about each of these, which I think is super awesome because you can just throw in a title like this, and now we have a simple little graphic that just looks really nice without a ton of work. We have this one that's animated fog, just quickly get a really nice effect. And it lives here in your effects library, so it's super easy. This is really a lot more than just a collection of titles. It's actually more of a graphics suite. So you can build all of your graphics for a project just by combining some of these titles. We pretty much just tried to design the titles that we would use, so I know they're gonna be super helpful for you. It's Fusion Titles for Editors Volume 2. It's available right now.